Bring it back here to North Texas now, where we've had some pop-up showers across DFW. If you're one of the lucky ones to get those, it's kind of cooled things off for us as we finish out May. But we know that heat is going to make a tremendous comeback very soon.
Yeah, I got 90s on the way as we head through. We hit 90s yesterday. Didn't quite get there today before that storm kind of popped up, gave a little cooler air to the area. But I do have 90s on the way. But I mean, we're about to head into June, so you know, our normal high will be 90 degrees here in not too terribly long either. So let's just, put that off as long as possible. We do have those thunderstorms out there at the moment. Obviously, not everybody's seeing them, but they've been bubbling up and down this afternoon, and they will continue to do so over the next several hours. So it might rain pretty heavily where you are, might not rain at all. And if it's not raining right now, it doesn't mean that it won't rain at some point over the next several hours. So here's been the kind of bulk of the activity over the last 30 to 45 minutes. It's been kind of from the airport out to Carrollton Farmers Branch, although we're starting to see some showers or storms trying to bubble up in portions of Tarrant County. But, I mean, Carrollton, which was just getting an absolute soaking right now, light to moderate rain at the moment. Is this storm starting to collapse? At the top of the newscast, I was talking about how this storm will collapse, and they're just starting to. I mean, look at this loop. It's an hour-long loop, and you can see, look at all the reds and even some pinks in there indicating some very, very heavy rainfall happening, maybe even a little small hail. Now it's, mostly oranges and yellows and greens as that storm continues to collapse, but it started to bubble up a little bit more now kind of over Northwest Highway and the tollway, along the tollway, University Park up to North Dallas to 635. And these thunderstorms, that's just what they're going to keep doing, kind of bubbling up and down until we really lose the heat of the day, and then it'll all come to a close as we head into the nighttime hours. Another storm bubbling up there out near Texas Motor Speedway, but most of Denton and Collin County fairly dry at this point. Maybe a little lingering light rain here or there in Collin County. Some spotty activity south of DFW as well, including in and around Waxahachie between Hillsboro and Corsicana at the moment. And all this is just, we hit the heat of the day. Watch this loop. Look how those showers and storms just bubbled up as we hit the heat of the day. And we'll do it again tomorrow, but I don't think we'll see the coverage that we saw yesterday or today. Those storms will die out as we head into late night hours tomorrow morning. Start off with partly cloudy skies, partly cloudy and warm and muggy day again tomorrow. But then there you go. We get a little bubble up activity yet again. Most of it east of DFW, but can't rule out maybe an isolated shower or storm in and around DFW tomorrow afternoon and evening. But I think coverage will be on the low side, 10%, maybe 20% for our eastern areas as we head through the day tomorrow. Then our temperatures start to warm up, hit 90 tomorrow afternoon, 92 by Friday, but that's only 3 degrees above normal. By Friday, our normal high is 89. I do have us a little cooler for the weekend, but that comes with some higher chances for rain. I don't see it being a washout of a weekend, and it's going to rain all weekend long or anything like that, but maybe a better chance for some showers and storms than we're going to see over the next few days here. So any of that rain will come to an end as we head through the late night hours. 68 will be your low tonight, and then tomorrow, warm and muggy yet again. Another ozone action day at 90 for your high tomorrow afternoon. Some 90s on the way the rest of the week. Mid to upper 80s for the weekend with those higher coverages of rain, 50% both Saturday and Sunday, 30% into Monday. And the weather pattern just stays unsettled as we head through next week. And the good thing about that is, if we didn't have those rain chances there and the pattern wasn't unsettled, those temperatures would probably be, low to mid 90s, maybe even worse than that this time of the year. So I'm totally fine with having those rain chances for that first week of June and the pattern staying unsettled, because not only does it mean rain, it means we hold off on the true Texas heat for now.
And as you said, the longer we can do that, the better. Thanks, Kyle.